Hi, I'm Jamie from Collingwood Lighting. In this video, we're going to run through our architectural 1901 downlights, named after the year that Collingwood was founded. This is the Collingwood 1901 collection of bespoke architectural downlights. As you can see, there are many different styles and models. In fact, there are over 1,500 different versions available. They are designed, developed and made in Great Britain at Collingwood's headquarters in Northamptonshire. Each element of the downlight is configurable, which means that you can get the perfect downlight for your application. These are ideal for projects and installations from anywhere to restaurants, to living rooms, bathrooms, bedrooms, hallways and beyond. Now, these are the low glare, so as you can see here, the light source is recessed up into the body of the fitting rather than closer to the surface like you see on standard types of downlight. This means that it's more visually comfortable to be around as you only see the lighting effect. The baffle here can either be black to maximise the low glare rating or white to blend into the ceiling, creating a better aesthetic when the light is off during the day. We focus on the quality of light with these fittings and use the very best electrical components to provide a finished product that lives up to the expectations. The CRI of the LED chip is 90+, which is considered to be extremely high. CRI, or Colour Rendering Index, is a numerical scale applied to the ability of the LEDs to produce a light that highlights colours in comparison to sunlight. The scale is from 0 to 100. With 100 being identical to natural light. The rating of the 1901 downlights means that there is an extremely close comparison to daylight. The second element of the quality of light is the flicker rating. Flicker is determined by the electrical components and occurs when light output rapidly changes, often caused by the driver. LEDs use DC power rather than AC, so the driver is required to connect the light fittings to the mains. High flicker values are perceptible to the human eye, but there is also a flicker band which is not visibly perceptible but still has a negative impact on the human body. 1901 downlights are classed as flicker-free fittings and avoid all the negative impacts that flicker brings. A choice of colour temperatures are available, so you have the 2700 Kelvin where you can create a warm ambience, ideal for living rooms, entertaining spaces and bedrooms. A 3000 Kelvin, which is like a soft yet crisper light, suitable for bathrooms and home studies, as well as 4000 Kelvin, which creates a brighter, cooler colour, bright enough to work underneath. Finally, we have the dim to warm option, where you can have 100% brightness of 3000 Kelvin and then dim down to 10% brightness for a cosy atmosphere. As I mentioned, this range is completely bespoke, so you can also choose from different beam angles. We have the narrow beam angle at 12 degrees, which has greater intensity of light, making it suitable for spotlighting features and table centres. We have the medium beam angle at 24 degrees, which is still quite intense, so it is good for places which have high ceilings. And then we have the wide beam angle at 45 to 50 degrees, which is less intense light for general infill lighting. Various IP ratings are available too, so depending on what you go for, you can choose from IP20 rating, which is suitable for living rooms and dining rooms. Then we have the IP44 rated ones too. These are ideal for places like kitchens, and then we have the IP65 ones, which again can be used in kitchens and bathrooms. Okay, now that you know a little bit more about the features of the range, I'm going to run through the actual product itself and the different finishes available. So these are all high quality products. As you can see here, they all have a flat metal bezel. These are available in a slim round bezel option, a round bezel and a square bezel. You also have the trimless version in a single or a double option, and these are plastered into the ceiling. Some of these options, as you can see here, are available with a matte black finish. We have tried to make installation simple. The incorporation of rolled spring clips increase speed to insert into the ceiling and also improve the fit across a range of ceiling thicknesses. The conical fire hood which is approved for solid timber and I-joist ceilings, fits quickly into the ceiling void and creates an effective fire barrier. Finally, the plug and play connectors allow drivers to be installed and tested first and then quickly attached to the downlight for final install. All of these elements make the 1901 downlights ideal for your installation. They're high quality, bespoke and built to last with a long warranty of 7 years. This complete range of 1901 can be used with lighting control systems too, including DALI 2, mains dimming, 1 to 10 volt, and have been approved for use with Lutron as well. The final part to this range is the accessories that are available. Here is a plug and play emergency pack. So these come pre-wired, and if there is an outage of power, then these will give a minimum of 3 hours of light output in an emergency mode. Now here we have a fire hood. This fire hood is installed into ceiling voids and complies with Part B protection of the building regulations. These also meet the requirements for I-joists and metal web joists. And that completes the Collingwood Lighting 1901 architectural downlight range.